Okay, I'm going to show you how to play any PlayStation 5 or 4 game on your iPad, tablet or phone. It's super simple, so let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to settings on your PlayStation 5 or 4. Head down to system and then head all the way down to remote play. Once you get here, head over to enable remote play and turn this on. For the next step, you need to go into your app store and download the PlayStation Remote Play app. When you first open the app, you'll need to sign into your PSN account. Once you're signed in, it will ask you what PlayStation you like to be connected to. Select the PlayStation that you wish to connect to. For me, it's PlayStation 5. Once you've selected which console you wish to connect to, it will take a few moments for the network to connect. Now, your PlayStation can either be in rest mode or powered on for remote play to work. You should now be able to use the remote play app on your tablet or phone. So let's show you how to connect your DualSense controller to your phone or tablet. Open the Bluetooth settings on your tablet or phone. Then, with your PlayStation controller turned off, hold down the PS button and the share button at the same time until the controller starts flashing blue. Once it starts flashing, it should show up on your tablet or phone and you'll be able to connect your DualSense controller to your tablet or phone. You should now be able to use your DualSense controller to control the Remote Play app. So a lot of people would like to know if you get lag when using the Remote Play app. Now, I've not personally experienced any lag. If you've got a good solid Wi-Fi connection, you should be completely fine. Now, remote play does only work over Wi-Fi. You cannot use a 5G network, so you couldn't tether your phone to your iPad and make this work, for instance. So make sure it is connected to Wi-Fi for it to work. Does game chat work on remote play? The answer is yes. But you're going to have to use the microphone on your DualSense controller for your teammates to hear you. And you will need to use either a Bluetooth headset connected to the tablet or phone or a wired headset connected to the tablet or phone. Now, even if these have microphones, they will not work. The team will not be able to hear you. If you have them plugged into your PlayStation controller, your team will still not be able to hear you. It only seems to work talking through the mic on the DualSense controller, I'm afraid. And that is everything you need to know about remote play. Guys, if you've got any more questions, please feel free to drop them into the comments below and I will do my best to answer every single one of them back for you. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you all on the next video.